Click on OK. Today concept name is framework. What is framework? Today concept name is framework. What is framework? Framework is nothing but it is a generic work developed by an expert used by many people. Or framework is nothing but it is a set of guidelines. It is a set of guidelines which makes our work easy. Which makes our work easy. Or framework is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs It is a software which contains some set of program which makes our work easy. Which makes our work easy. Our work easy. Or using this set of programs, using this set of programs, using this set of programs, we can do our work easy. We can do our work easy. So if it is .NET or Oracle or SAP or testing, so framework concept will be there. What is the use of framework? Today next concept, what is the use of framework? What is the main use of framework? We will discuss now. What is framework? Why all the technology they will use framework concept? Why they are using framework concept? What is the main aim? So first of all, I'm going to bank, madam. First of all, I'm doing login. So I'm doing money transfer and doing logout. Log out. Login done by me. Log out also done by me. Login done by me. Log out also done by me. So this is end-to-end scenario. This is end-to-end scenario. This is one test case. This is one test case. TC. TC means test case. Once again, I'm going to bank. First of all, I should log in. Money withdraws. Log out. Login done by me. Log out also done by me. Login done by me. Log out also done by me. So this is end-to-end scenario. This is one test case. Next, login, cash deposit, log out. This is also one end-to-end scenario. This is also one end-to-end scenario. Login done by me, log out also done by me. So this is one test case. This is one test case. Now I want to write these three test cases in the single program. How I can run? How I can write? So first of all, we need to log in, money transfer. I want to write three end-to-end scenario in the single program, cash deposit, log out. If I write like this, so if it is framework concept, it will execute like login, money transfer, log out, login, cash deposit, log out, login, money withdraws, log out. So here I wrote login function only one time, but here we are invoking three times. Here we are invoking three times. Logout I wrote only one time, but here invoking three times. If it is any reusable function, if we want to use many times in the test, that many times no need to write. Once we will write that function, how many times you want, that many times we can invoke that function. That is the use of framework. If it is .NET or Java or Oracle, whatever it is, so framework concept. What is the use of framework? If it is any reusable function, if we want to use many times in the test, that many times no need to write. Once we will write that function, how many times you want, that many times we can invoke that function. That is the use of framework concept. So here login function I am writing only one time, but we are invoking three times. Logout we are writing only one time, but we are invoking three times. If it is any reusable function, if you want to use many times in the test, that many times no need to write. Once we will write that function, how many times you want, that many times we can invoke that function. That is the use of framework concept. That is the use of framework concept. If it is, what is the use of framework concept? If it is any reusable function, if you want to use many times in the test, that many times no need to write. Once we will write that function, how many times you want, that many times we can invoke that function. That is the use of framework concept. Got it? Right. Got it, ma? Any doubts? Madam, are
Yes,
you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. No, no.
Yes. So there are two types of frameworks, madam. There are two types of frameworks. There are two types of frameworks. One is user-defined framework. Second one is system-defined framework. One is user-defined framework. Second one is system-defined framework. What is user-defined framework? We will discuss. So there are two types of user-defined frameworks we will discuss later. One is data-driven framework. Second one is page object model framework, POM. POM. POM means page object model framework. System-defined frameworks further divided into two types. One is JUnit. Second one is test engine. One is JUnit, other one is test engine. One is JUnit. One is JUnit, second one is test engine. One is JUnit, second one is test engine. What are the main differences between JUnit and test engine? We will discuss now. JUnit and test engine. JUnit is old one, old framework. Test engine is new one, new framework. JUnit, no need to install. Test engine, we need to install. We have here in the JUnit, we have four annotation. At the rate before class, here also same annotation at the rate before class. Annotation. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. I will explain you it. At the rate after class. At the rate after class. At the rate before method. At the rate after method. At the rate before. Here we have at the rate before method. Here we have at the rate after. Here we have at the rate after method. At the rate after method. If you want to skip anything, at the rate, here we will use at the rate ignore. If it is JUnit, we will use at the rate ignore. If it is test ng, we will use enabled equal to false. If you want to skip anything, if it is JUnit, we will use at the rate ignore. If it is test ng, enabled equal to false. We can't run priority base. We can run priority base. Results not clear. If it is JUnit, results not clear. Results very clear. These are the main differences between JUnit and testing. JUnit old one, testing new one. JUnit no need to install, testing we need to install. In JUnit we have four annotations: at the rate before class, at the rate after class, at the rate before, at the rate after. Here also we have same annotations like before class, before class, before method, after method. If you want to skip anything in JUnit, we will use at the rate ignore. If it is test engine, we will use enable equal false. If it is JUnit, no need to. We can't run priority base. But if it is test engine, we can run priority base. Results not clear in JUnit. Results very clear in test engine. And here, separately I am saying before class, after class function should be static. If it is JUnit, before class, after class function should be static. If it is JUnit, before class, after class function should be static. Before class, after class function should be static. Before class, after class function should be static. If it is JUnit, before class, after class function should be static. If it is JUnit, before class, after class function should be static. Before class, after class function should be static. So, and you should remember here only one order. At the rate before. So annotation is nothing but it is a main method. Instead of main method, we will use annotation. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. No need to take the main method. If it is framework concept, there is no need of main method. So annotation is nothing but it is a main method. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. No need to take main method. So after taking class, we will keep the mark public static void menu. But here is no need. So annotation is nothing but it is a main method. Annotation is nothing but it is a main method. At the rate before class. At the rate before class. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. This is the order you should remember. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. At the rate before class. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. At the rate after class. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute last. At the rate before. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute second. At the rate after. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute second last. This is the order. Wherever before class, wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. At the rate after class, wherever you write in the program, it will execute last. At the rate before, wherever you write in the program, it will execute second. At the rate after, wherever you write in the program, it will execute second last. So this is the order. So first we will discuss JUnit. But right now none of the companies not using JUnit. But whenever you are keeping the madam, are you hearing me?
Yeah, yeah. Now I can hear you.
Oh yeah. So So
So
a unit
when
and
you were
testing.
writing after class is always last. After that, I didn't hear.
Okay, okay. After class, wherever you write it, it will execute.
Hello?
Last, madam. Are you hearing me now?
Hello?
Yes, madam. 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 Jabina, madam. Hello. 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 Hello, madam. Are you hearing me
Yeah,
now?
I can. It is dropping again and again.
Okay, okay, okay. Now are you hearing me now?
Yes.
All right. Wait, 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 ma. Right. So before class, wherever you write in the program, we will execute first. After class,
So
wherever
it
you,
is in one class only?
yeah, same class. Before class,
You
wherever you
will.
write in the program, it will execute first. With example,
So you said. Okay, okay.
right. Go to Eclipse. Normal example today we will discuss. After understanding this concept, we can go for web application example. Why it is taking more time? Right click, take the new project, Java project, click on next. Project name is frame. Keep the mark, finish. I'm creating one project, the project name is frame. We need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Right click, properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars. Desktop, Control R, click on open, click on open. Go to SRC, take the new class. First we will discuss JUnit2. Actually no need of JUnit2, but still we are learning. Only just take the class. I am not taking any main method. Click on finish. So if you want to increase the size, Windows, Preferences, Java, Appearance, sorry, General, Appearance, Color and Fonts, increase the size. Actually it is showing 10. I am keeping 16. Okay, apply. Okay. At the rate before class. Wherever you write in the program, it will execute first. Public. So before class, after class function should be static. If it is JNT, before class, after class function should be static. Void. Invoke. SYSO control space. Invoke. Before class, after class function should be static. After close. Before, after. This is non-static, not required. Only before class, after class function should be static. Remaining no need. So this is the before login. Before is a login. This is log out. This is test case. One test I am taking cash deposit. So no need of static. This is a test. Money transfer. Test. body testing. After body testing, invoke. This is close. This is login. Log out. Test. JUnit we
Sir,
are
at the
discussing.
rate test is also something.
Yeah, before wait one second. Before class test ng. After class test ng. Sorry, JUnit. Now ask me now.
At the rate test was
Is a
not in
test
that
case.
four.
It is a test case, madam. So here we are doing three actions: cash deposit, money transfer, money withdrawals. So how it will run? Tell me. Already I told you one sequence.
Okay, that first before class will come, but who is defining at the rate test?
If the test is nothing but it is a test case, madam. We will write test cases. Okay. First
In
before
another
class.
program?
No, the same test. Same. Here I am writing tests. Four tests. Three tests I am writing. Cash deposit, money transfer, money withdrawals. These are the three tests I am writing. Now tell me. Sequence.
Before class,
Okay.
then before, then after, and then after class.
So tests. At the rate tests.
Before
First before
class,
class.
before, then all the tests, then after.
One of the test. All that. Not all the test. It will execute only one of the test.
When you say test, I'm getting confused because you did not write at the rate test in that list, no?
Yeah, this is the test cases, you know. How many test cases you want? That many test cases we can write it. I can write at
This
the
whole
rate.
thing is a test case, right?
Test is nothing but it is a test case. This is the action we are doing. So, first before class it will execute login. Next before class invoke. Next login and it will execute any of the test like cash deposit. Next log out. Once again login and money transfer. Log out. Login. Money withdraws. Log out. Last close. So here we are writing login is only one time, but here how many tests we are taking? Three tests. So three times it will be login, three times it will be log out. Save, click on run. JUnit. See, observe. Login, cash deposit, first invoke, login, cash deposit, log out, login, money withdrawals, log out, login, money transfer, log out, close. This is the order. This is JUnit framework. You know. If you want to
Did
skip, no.
you did, okay.
If you want to skip any function, what is how to skip the function? At the rate, ignore. I want to skip the cash deposit. So we should write at the rate ignore. So now it will execute only two tests only. Save, click on run. I don't want to delete, I don't want to comment. So invoke, login, money withdraws, log out, login, money transfer, log out to close. Any doubt, ma?
A lot of doubt.
That's the reason I designed normal application, normal example. If I tell, if I teach like web application, you will feel confused. So that's the reason I've taken two tests, three tests I am taking, madam. Cash deposit, money transfer, money withdrawals. Test means test cases. We are doing some actions. So first of all, this is the order you should remember, madam. Before class, wherever you write, it will execute first. At the right before, wherever you write, it will execute second. At the rate after, wherever you write execute, it will second last. At the rate after class, wherever you write in the program, it will execute last.
Okay, first I'm getting confused. How is it related with Selenium?
Selenium means no. This is not Selenium, madam. Just normal application we are taking. So here we have three tasks, madam. One is cash deposit.
Okay, that
Second,
you did not tell me. I'm still trying to relate it with Selenium.
no. Not leave it. Not Selenium, madam. Just you should remember the order how it is executing. Just you should try to understand. After that, I will tell you how we can work with web application. I will tell you later. So that's the reason I designed this concept for only. Normally you should understand. After that we can discuss web application also. Okay. You should remember before class wherever you write it will execute first. At the rate after class wherever you write it will execute last. It is executing or not.
Yes.
So before class I am writing lastly. Cut. But it will execute first only. Save.
So this at the rate, ignore at the rate, before at the rate, after. Only these things are coming from JUnit framework.
JUnit framework.
And JUnit is defining them,
Hmm.
the sequence in which they would be run.
Yes, madam. Based on the sequence, already we discussed. Before class, wherever you write it will execute first. After class, wherever you write it will execute last. At the rate before.
That part I understood. The sequence I understood. I'm just asking what JUnit is defining these
Annotations. So here in this JUnit we have 4 annotations, madam. At the rate before class, at the rate after class, at the rate before, at the rate after. So how many tests you want, that many tests you can take it. Anyone, Akhil or Jabina or US or India, you can take any test. But it will be run sequence. If you want to skip any function, what is the syntax? At the rate, ignore. And here we can't run priority base. We can't run priority base. And the results not clear. Results not clear. Now, still, if you have any doubt, ask me now. So, how we can use in Selenium, we will discuss tomorrow. Leave it. Just try to understand today's, but how it is running. So here.
So is it like I have 3 different test cases? One is to check an text box, another is to check a URL, or something else is used to check the color.
These are the test
so
cases.
These 3 will come here.
But here, whenever you are running, so 3 tests you are taking. 3 times it will be login, 3 times it will be log out. How many tests you are taking, that many times it will be login, it will be log out. So here I am writing login function only once, but we are invoking 3 times. Why? Because we are taking 3 tests. So it will be 3 times it will be login and 3 times it will be log out. That is the concept, framework concept, JUnit. It is
So it is useful only. It is useful only for test cases in which the first and the last method is to be same. Huh?
Which one, ma?
In different scenario, if we have to use
Madam, just I will tell you, madam. So you are working with the Gmail application, madam. For example, that a web application example I will tell you later, madam. But you are still confusing. So just you should remember order only here. Why I am teaching this concept? You should remember this order, how it is executing. Just concentrate. So after that, I will explain you with web application example, madam. I will teach you web application example. First of all, I designed only for this concept. Only first of all, how it is running, how it is executing. Just you should concentrate. After that, I will teach you.
Okay.
So here I am taking 3 tests. That means it will be 3 times it will be login, 3 times it will be log out. So here login function I am writing only 1 time, but I am invoking 3 times. That should concentrate. So here see login. money withdraws, log out, log in, money transfer, log out to close. So there is no cash deposit. Why? Because I ignored. So if you want all the functions, then you can. It will be three tests it will execute. So it will not follow any priority based or alphabetical order. So why? Because after cash deposit, it need to run money transfer actually, but it is not. So that means, so J unit it will not follow any alphabetical order. J unit is over. J unit is over. Same concept we can apply for testing. Delete these import statements. Before class, what the testing annotations. After class, what the testing annotation. So no need of static. If it is J unit, compulsory the function should be static. If it is test engine, no need. In the place of before, we should write before method. After method. These are the differences. What the test engine. After method, what the test engine. Save, click on run. This is the test engine. So why it is showing error, sir? So this is the old version we are using. That's the reason it is showing error. But that is not error. Invoke, login, cash deposit, log out. Here it will follow alphabetical order, madam. So invoke, login, cash deposit C, cash deposit, login, log out, login, money transfer. Next money transfer function. Next log out, login, money withdraws, log out to close. It will follow alphabetical order. If it is J unit, it will not follow alphabetical order. Next, if you want to skip any function, I don't want money withdraws, so I want to skip this function, then we can write enable equal false. Enable equal false. Save, click on the. Now it is execute only two functions only. One is cash deposit. Invoke, login, cash deposit, log out, login, money transfer, log out to close. If you want to skip any function, we will use in test ng enabled equal false. That is the concept of J unit and test ng. So
Can you repeat this last one again?
enabled
Why
equal.
it came login louder?
Save, click on that. Invoke. Next, login, cash deposit, log out, login, money transfer, log out to close. Two functions only, cash deposit and money transfer. So money withdrawals I skipped. So that is the concept of J unit and test ng. This is the normal example. So if I tell direct application example, you feel confused. So that is the reason. If you want to run priority base, I want to run first money transfer first of all. So we can give the priority. Priority equal to 1. So it will execute first. Priority equal to. Save. Click on that. So it will execute first money transfer. First money transfer, next cash deposit. Invoke, login, money transfer, log out, login, cash deposit, log out, close. Now you can ask me doubts, madam.
You said right now I